Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is a channel where I might sometimes possibly make dumb decisions, but we're gonna roll with that. Okay, so for today's video, I really wanted to dye my hair, so I thought, why not record myself? I reached out to VP Fashion and they actually sent me some extensions. I'm planning on dyeing them dark and we're gonna see how that works out. After this video, I'm not gonna have pink hair anymore. So they sent me this box and I'll show you what's in it. So the extensions came with this Bertie Oil Deep Conditioner. It's supposed to be made for, hi 2 Chainz. It's supposed to be made for extensions because you can have really good quality of extensions and they're still not coming from your scalp, so they're not getting that oil and those nutrients that hair needs to live. So I'm really excited to try out that. And what they sent me were these 20-inch blonde extensions, and I'll open up these in a bit and show you guys what they look like. They're seamless extensions, so they lay on your head really flat. And then it also came with this traveling case, which is really nice. It's got a hook with it, so whenever you travel, you can put them in the case and they won't get ratted and matted in your bag. So thank you, VP Fashion. I'm so excited to try these out. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys the comparison between the extensions that I have now and these extensions. As you can see, these ones they've been worn way too much. These are my new extensions and I am so excited for them. You get 2 of these with 4 clips, and then you get 2 of these with 3 clips, and then you get 3 of these smaller pieces, which I like to use you get 4. Oh, and I'll just show you guys the comparison. So this is the seamless clip. Is gonna lay really nicely on my scalp rather than these ones right here. They're so bulky and hard to cover. So just look at the difference between these. I'm so excited. These extensions are 190 grams. All right, so let's get started. I'm going to color my real hair first. I just went and got this ion from Sally's. So if you're planning on doing your hair, I would really try to go to a professional. I'm just doing this because I already have the experience in doing hair, so I just like to do it myself. And I'm just gonna show you guys. I thought it'd be fun, so yeah. But I got a 3-in, which is like a dark brown. And then I'm gonna put that all over my hair because I have short hair. It goes to like right here, you'll see later. And for the ends of my extensions, I got just like a blonde toner to make the ends ashy, so it's gonna go from like a dark brown to like an ashy blonde at the end. And hopefully it looks good. Okay, so I got all the color on my hair. You guys, if this does not turn out good, then I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'll literally have to shave my head. I got really messy with the color, but thankfully I'm wearing my shirt that I don't care about. This is actually Mr. Smarsh. This is a high school teacher. Shout out Mr. Smarsh. I don't know why Reggie had this. So now I'm gonna get started on coloring my extensions. And since I'm leaving the ends light, I'm just gonna go to about here, and I'm gonna put conditioner on the bottom part so that the extensions don't pick up the color on the ends. So I'm gonna get started on that and I'll see you guys afterwards. Okay, so I just dyed my extensions and this is what they look like now. So they're looking actually pretty good. And now what I'm gonna do is put a ash toner at the bottom, and then I'll show you guys what they look like when they're all done and dry. Okay, so it's my least favorite part about extensions is drying them. I'm just gonna brush these out. Okay, so now I'm going to put in my extensions. So I've already straightened my hair, so for the first extension, I'm going to part my hair right above my ears right here and just go all the way back and pin it up. Now I'm going to flat iron my extensions. And when I flat iron hair, I like to go in with the iron like this so that the ends go inwards. So I'm gonna put my first one right here, clip it over to the front, And I'll do the Sharpie on all of them later, but for now I'm just gonna do it on the top layer to show you guys how it looks. I'm going to go over to my friends and I'm gonna show them my extensions and maybe we'll get some reactions. Okay, wow, these are already like so full and I only have 2 of them in so far. So then I just make another layer about 1 inch where I made the last one. Oh, and on the bottom layer I used the 3 clip extensions. So now I'm going an inch above where I put those first two, and I'm gonna put the 4-track extension on. There we go, so that's with 3 extensions. Okay, and so this is the seamless without Sharpie over it, and I just put Sharpie over this one. That way it won't show through on my roots. Holy cow, these are so thick. Ah! I'm so obsessed. Whoop. Alright, Kat. Okay, ready?
No. Holy shit. Holy shit.
What? Oh my God. What's different?
Who are you? Where's Cassie?
I love your hair. Oh
Yo, you're so emo.
So good.
Am I?
You're so emo and soft.
I'm so confused.
I look
Who
like
is
punk?
that? Where's Cassie?
Hi guys, so confession time. Last night my memory card got full and I don't know how to take care of that yet. So my good friend Reggie did that for me. So I'm back. I just want to show you guys. These extensions are so nice and so thick and full. I've actually never had extensions that are this full before. The seamless part really helps out with my thin hair, and I love that. I love everything about these hair extensions that I tried out. It is a little bit splotchy at the ends where I tried to ombre them. I am probably gonna go in with a darker shade of silver and buff that out right here. But other than that, I'm so happy with how everything went. I'm so glad that my friends liked it, and I hope that you guys like it. So no more pink hair Cassie. If you guys are interested in purchasing extensions, I really do recommend this brand. I do have a discount code. It is Cassie Martin for $10 off of your order. I hope that all of you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys all have a great rest of your day. I'm gonna go eat lunch and I will see you guys next time. Thank you. Hey Reggie, what do you think of my hair?
Tastes great.
Woo!